We have a package. So I decided to do it outside because it was so pretty, and I honestly thought it would only take me like 2 seconds to do it, especially after I pulled it out the box. Like watch, just watch. Hold on. Like, look at it. It looks like it's just a folded up something. And watch this. Take that out, and boom. Assembled, right? I just gotta put the wheels on, which I thought. So yeah, I looked at the wheels and I was just like, what the heck? Like, the front wheel was kind of self-explanatory, but I definitely had to take the back wheels and do them inside because it was just too much. But it looks so pretty. I got it in a light blue because, of course, blue is one of my colors, and I have a boy and a girl cat, which I guess really doesn't matter, but like, I wanted it to be kind of just like you're not looking at it like, oh, that's a boy or that's a girl, you know. So I got it light blue because I feel like light blue is like universal, you know. So yeah, here I go looking at the back like, what the heck. Look, like, I just stuck something in something because I thought it should be that easy, and then I started looking at all the stuff, and yeah, once I got it done, it actually it pretty much was easy. But yeah, like, just look, I read that crap and just kind of like thought I knew what to do, but nah. So we are back inside. It's so pretty. Like, the color really is beautiful. Right now it looks kind of grayish, but whatever. But yeah, so watch me try to get the wheels, and yeah, I will be back. Yeah, I was so excited when it started coming together. I should have really used it as a dumbbell for a little bit. Little jokey joke. But nah, like, look at it, y'all. Okay. It was like, I had to make sure it snapped. So, like, that's why you see me take it off. But once it snapped, I heard it. And I was like, oh, that's it. Look at me, happy ass kid. Simba kept trying to play with it, but then acting like he didn't want to play with it. Y'all saw a little bit of the destruction in my background. So I ended up just having to just pick him up because he was playing with me and my Tom, and you know, that's so nice. Look at him. He wanted to know what mommy was playing with, but he didn't really want to know what mommy was playing with. Okay, so if I'm missing a few pieces, mind your business, because this is actually pretty hard to put on. Everything else is pretty simple. I mean, except for like the trouble I had with the wheels, but that's just because I don't be putting stuff together every day. But this like was just like, I don't know, like the little flap thing was in the way, and then when I was trying to put it on there, it wasn't sticking, and then I realized, oh, screws go on this. So yeah, it was just like a lot of just like, aha, I hit myself in the face. I hit myself in the face. You see, I just, whatever, I'm over it. So I did not put it on. Nope, I left it off. And yeah, and I feel like my stroller still is bomb. So you get what you get, you know. If y'all want to put that thing on, put it on, you know, put it on. And then I just snapped that little piece up there, the cup holder. And here's me walking my big cat. They're not used to being outside, and honestly, he was comfortable, so that's good.